Hi there! Welcome to this video. It's known to all that we delete a file by clicking the delete button or simply dragging it to recycle bin. It stays in the recycle bin on our computer, and from there, you can simply restore the file. But what if you have emptied the recycle bin or manually delete files from it? Could you still get the deleted files back without backup? The answer is yes. You can restore the deleted files as long as you have a professional data recovery tool like iMyFone AnyRecover. AnyRecover can recover the deleted files from emptied recycle bin in the following easy steps. First, free download iMyFone AnyRecover from its official website. Both Windows and Mac versions are supported. Then install and launch it on your computer. You'll see locations from which to recover data, including desktop, hard disk drive, external devices, partition, and more. In our case, go ahead to select Recycle Bin, then click Start. AnyRecover will start an all-around scan for deleted files. You can pause to locate the targeted files, or stop it during the scanning process. When the scanning is completed, all files will be listed on the left side in respective file types and folders. AnyRecover supports over 1,000 file types, including photos, videos, documents, emails, etc. Double-click a file to preview it. If you need this file back, click Recover. You'll be prompted to enter licensed email and registration code for recovery. Enter it. Then select the location where you want to save the recovered files, and it's done. Or you can choose multiple files and recover them all at once. This will help you save time. Now here are your recovered files. Sit safely on your computer. If you need to recover lost data from hard drive, external device, crashed computer, or any other situation, AnyRecover will also handle it for you. Don't hesitate to download it and have a try. iMyFone AnyRecover provides a free trial version. Thank you for watching. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like it and subscribe for more videos. See you next time.